Partnering with nature is an essential component to addressing climate change. Currently, natural ecosystems sequester around 29% of man-made emissions. However, nature-based solutions to the climate crisis are not simple. Trade-offs are necessary, and many complex pieces must fit together. The Climate Investment Fund's Nature, People and Climate Program provides climate financing to developing countries, supporting the sustainable management of natural resources. It helps them navigate the intricate relationship between land use, livelihoods, and climate change. The program's integrated land management approach addresses both environmental and social needs, delivering multiple benefits through mitigation and adaptation climate strategies. A unique feature is the program's dedicated grant mechanism, a direct funding tool that supports indigenous people and local communities and helps them contribute their holistic knowledge and experience to climate actions and solutions. The Climate Investment Fund's Nature, People and Climate Program helps developing countries establish sustainable practices that harness nature's restorative potential for people and the planet.